One sunny morning, a little red hen found a few golden wheat seeds on the ground. She smiled happily and asked her friends, "Who will help me plant these seeds?" The lazy cat stretched and yawned. "Not I," said the cat. The sleepy dog shook his head. "Not I," said the dog. The noisy duck flapped her wings. "Not I," said the duck. "I will do it myself," said the little red hen. The little red hen carefully planted the seeds and watered them every day. Soon, the tiny sprouts grew into beautiful golden wheat, waving in the warm summer breeze. When the wheat was ready, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me harvest the wheat?" "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the dog. "Not I," said the duck. "I will do it myself," said the little red hen. The little red hen carried the wheat to the mill and returned with fresh white flour. "Who will help me bake the bread?" "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the dog. "Not I," said the duck. "I will do it myself," said the little red hen. Soon, the warm smell of fresh bread filled the air. The hungry cat, dog, and duck gathered around the table with hopeful smiles. The little red hen smiled kindly and said, "I did all the work myself, so I will enjoy the bread myself." The other animals understood their mistake and promised to help next time. They all learned an important lesson about responsibility and hard work. Remember, those who work hard earn the rewards of their effort.